Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to make some 3D designs. So instead of making your regular A, go for this A where we have made a double themed and then we are shading it out with some black and grey color so that it looks like a 3D print A. Let's move ahead, board of your regular hexagon. Let's try this. Here we've made this hexagon and then we are detailing it by making bit more on the inside, and then we are joining both the ends, all the ends, and then as you can see it is ready. After that, we are making a 3D triangle. As you can see, starting with the basics, we have made two triangles inserted in each other. After that, we are detailing the middle and then shading it. Let's move ahead. First we are making a cube and then we are making more joinings to it, as you can see how we are doing it. After that, just completing the drawing with some shading with black pen and some grey pen, and you can see it is ready. We've made a beautiful 3D arrow. Don't make your regular square. Instead of go with this where first we've made a square and then on one edge we are making two more squares in the middle and then detailing it with these lines on the back and then joining them. As you can see, it looks like good 3D, and then we are just shading it with pencil and some black pen, and you can see it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we are making a 3D G, starting with the lines which are half broken, as you can see, and then we are joining them together to make it look like our G. See, it is a double shape, and then we are just detailing it by shading it with grey and black color. Next, to avoid making the regular S, we have made this 3D S where we are starting with the lines and then joining the lines together, as you can see. After that, shading it with grey color, and it's done. Let's move ahead. To avoid making the regular W, we are making it into the 3D theme, starting with the lines we've made, joining them together and giving it a 3D effect. After that, shading it with black color and some pencil. Let's move ahead. To avoid making a regular triangle, try this where we have made the designs first with the pencil and then we are joining them together, as you can see, and then we are shading it with red color marker. As you can see how beautiful and cute it looks, and it is in 3D design, and try this. Let's move ahead. To avoid making the regular rectangle, try this type of rectangle where we have started with the lines and then we are joining them together into the shape of diamonds. As you can see how we are making our rectangle into the 3D themed. After that, shade it with black and some grey color, and it's ready. Thanks for watching.